Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a special treat for you. This here is a magazine called Model Car Science from July of 1971. Yeah, I thought we'd just go through here and see what kind of goodies we had from back in the day. Right here we've got a shot of Don Shoemaker's Barracuda. Don't know what year that vehicle was, but it was either 70 or 71 for sure. Looks like he was going up against Don Prudhomme here. It looks like the Snake's car. Let's go ahead and get into this one. Here we have something called the Mini Rocks. I guess these were model rockets, which were really popular back in the day. Looks like it was put out from MPC. Yep, they were located here. And we got some advertising. Pages are yellowed up pretty good on this particular magazine. Been a lot of years since I've looked at this one. Some mail, letters to the editor. Just a little bit of flashback in time here. Hope there's not too much glare on there for you guys. I probably won't go through the whole magazine, but just give you a glimpse of what was going on back in the day. We had some specialty books, one on model railroading, best of cartoons. I don't know how many of you remember that magazine. That was pretty good. Here's a big rig. This was the model of the month. 1968 Freightliner. And a 1968 Wilson livestock trailer. That's really cool looking. Too bad that wasn't in color. That'd make a neat photo. There's some posters that were available back then. Posters were $2.95. That's about $30 in today's money, right? Had 25 cents for postage, so that'll tell you something right there. Here's Don Shoemaker's funny car. Here's some tips on detailing. Pretty neat. Whoa, this is cool. Old American LaFrance ladder chief. Pretty neat. There's a section on gassers. Orange crate, I remember that one. I think I had a model of that back in the day. And it was orange. Big surprise there, right? Very cool. Well, here's a contest, a model contest in Cleveland. Ohio's best model craftsmen collect in the MPC customizing contest. That's interesting. Well, here's some of the cars, the entries. That's different. This is an old style mailbox. A lot of you young guys don't have any idea what that is, but we used to have mailboxes on certain corners throughout your city, in your neighborhoods and that. They were blue with, I think it was a red door on it where you drop your mail in, and letter carriers would come by sometimes twice a day and open a little hatch on the bottom here and take the mail out that you'd send out to the post office. Yep. That's a neat one. Pages are so thin it's hard to tell if you got 2 or 3 of them stuck together. There's a nice Super Bird. Mother's Pies. That's interesting. Here's a Zinger. You guys remember those? Tommy Ivo. Pretty cool. A lot of nice detail on that one. A couple of previous winners. Oh wow, look at there. 57 Chevy Nomad. There's a Mustang. So, there's 57 Chevy Nomad, and it looks like they turned it into a drag car. And according to the article here, they took a standard 57 Chevy Nomad, and then Boss Mustang funny car, they used the complete undercarriage for it to build this kit. Looks pretty cool. Let's see here. Then it breaks down process that the builder used to put it together, which is pretty cool. This is basically a YouTube video, old school, in magazine format. Breaking down the details, and there's the final product. Very nice job. Again, I wish this one was in color because, well, I'd really like to see how it turned out. Then we have what appears to be a Volkswagen. Was that the Thing? I don't remember it being around in the early 70s like that. I don't remember what year those first came out, but that's what it looks like. They turned it into some kind of army vehicle, or military vehicle, I should say. Well, here it says it's a Kubelwagen. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, but that's what that was. They must have put it out back in the mid-70s as the Thing. So that's sure what it looks like to me. There you go. Got a couple of them there lined up. Looks like it was a Tamiya kit. Huh. A lot of you say Tamiya. I grew up saying Tamiya, so whatever's right is whatever it is. There's a 1/10 scale motorcycle, Yamaha. Some nice detail on that build. Very nice. Here's the model of the month. Let's see, you get you a Dremel tool. $32.95 value. So those things were really expensive at one time, at one point. Wow. You could win one of those. Excuse me. Here's an old style Badger airbrush for the second place winner. The third place winner, $9.95 value budget press and paint kit. That must have been the one that came with the aerosol can that you use for your compressed air. And this here is the model that won for this month in July of 1971. Let's see here. There's some more models of the month. I'm assuming these are second and third place. Now, me personally, one of these should have won first place rather than that other one, but whatever, you know. Everything is subjective. Alright. Here is Doctoring the Mini Brute. These look like little AFX cars. Yeah, HO scale. Okay. Can't tell if that's a Trans Am or a GTO. It was called Dynabrute. Handles super at super speeds. It says they were 132 scale. Seems kind of big for HO though. I'd most likely have to read the full article to get the info on that. Here's a pretty cool one. I remember that kit. Ready Mix Rod. Alright, they took some kind of, what do you call those? Cement trucks and used the chassis from this Vega. I don't remember that kit. That looks like early 70s Vega. I don't remember that kit at all. But this one I remember seeing. Of course, it may be that I remember seeing it in this magazine back in the day. Yeah. And here's all the little details on how the builder made this kit. Very cool. And then a little info on some radio controlled stuff. RC cars. Bunch of info there. Here's a magazine on model railroading. 1001 model railroading ideas. Pretty cool. A couple of cartoons. Ben Franklin using the his first AFX electric racetrack. Got a little kite in the air. That's cute. Now, are we a team or aren't we? Okay. Got himself an old style fly swatter there for his little driver. Okay. Couple of ads from back in the day. And this is an ad for Cox gas little powered engines. Those were huge back in the 70s. And that's it. That's the last page, folks. Here's the back. Hope you enjoyed that little trip through history. I've got a bunch of these magazines that I'll go through periodically from time to time, show you guys. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Have yourselves a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.